Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to get a YouTube TV free trial promo codes in 2026. First is you just have to go to the official YouTube TV website or the application. Okay, and then after that, you will be directed to this website. So most of the time, they already offer a default free trial, usually around 7 to 14 days. So as you can see, we also have 21 days right here for $0. And then most of the time, and usually around 7 to 14 days, but we have here 21 days. So before looking for promo codes, check if you're already eligible. And next is you have to look for seasonal promotions. So, YouTube TV often gives extended free trials during big events like sports seasons, holidays, or special launches. These promos usually appear directly on their homepage, so no code needed for this one. So you just simply tapped on it, and then you just have to log in to your Google account. So avoid random website claiming unlimited promo codes. Most of those are outdated or scams, so you just have to stick to trusted sources like official emails, ads, or verified partnerships. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.